How are you doing today? I just decided to make this quick one because of some recent complaints I've been getting from some people and the request to address something like this. And today this one is about you not making this kind of mistake anytime you have a money issue with your bank, else you may never see your money again. And some of you may be wondering, what is that? It's very simple. Many times if you have an issue with your bank, perhaps maybe you lost your card or you saw an unauthorized transaction that took place in your account and you're trying to reconcile it and you can't just figure it out, or you lost your phone and maybe you couldn't sign out of your mobile banking and all that, and you quickly run to the bank to make a complaint. All right, chances are you meet the customer care first. So when you get there and you say, okay, this is what happened, can you please block my account, can you please do that? Sometimes, maybe their benevolence, they may say, okay, fine, I'll do it for you. And they press a bunch of buttons and they say, oh, okay, now I have blocked your account. But everything happened verbally, just orally. So there is no formal evidence to show that you made a complaint or made a request that your account should be blocked. Or you went there and said, okay, they're deducting this from your account, but you don't know what's happening. They now do a bunch of clicking and they say, oh yeah, we have rectified it. As nice as that may sound, and as well-meaning as they may be, it is not an official complaint. So what do? Some banks will guide you appropriately. They may tell you, can you please put this in writing? Sometimes it's handwritten. Can you please put this in writing and make it a formal request to the bank or to the customer care person, the person handling it for you or your account manager. So what do? They receive it and they stamp it or they acknowledge it, so you can have that copy as your evidence that I made a formal complaint or formal request to the bank. So it didn't just happen verbally, there is a documentary evidence to show that you were there at so and so time and your complaint was acknowledged by the bank. So that if anything goes wrong, maybe the account that you thought they blocked, maybe it wasn't really blocked and it continues to be compromised. Or perhaps, I'm not accusing anybody, sometimes there's some people, maybe in the bank and all that, some of them get to know that, okay, something's wrong with your account, and some go back door and do certain things. I'm not accusing anybody, I'm just saying that some people everybody's nice, but not everybody's nice every time, all right? So some people may not be good at that point in time and they could be tempted to take advantage of your situation to defraud you. Some may be even workers in the bank. We've had cases like that, but I'm not accusing anybody, I'm just letting you know, all right? So put it in writing, let it be formally acknowledged and stamped that you put that in writing, so that if anything goes wrong, you have a documentary evidence to show that you made a formal complaint, it was received, it was acknowledged, and this is your copy for it, so that if anything goes wrong, like I said again, you have that as a proof to show and file for your claims or make your case, all right? Be it unauthorized transactions, be it any other thing you need to do at the bank, as much as it lies in your power, as much as you can, always have it written as a formal complaint. If you can't read or write, no problem. Find somebody who can to help you write it so you have an evidence. This is very, very important, because I've seen so many people fall into this, and when they come back and say, but I told you, you said everything was okay, I went back and it wasn't okay. What if they change the customer care or they change the person you spoke with? Remember, this is a system. They can pull anybody out anytime. What will you say? You say, the person told me that. They say, who? They don't have the time to start looking at the camera to tell you who did what or who said what. But if you come with an evidence, if you come with a letter, they look at it, oh, it was duly received by somebody in the bank, and they can trace it and you can make your case. Hope this was of value to you, all right? Always have this in mind for yourself and for other people that may have such situation, all right? So practice it and do not let this slip, else you may never get your money back, all right? So do also subscribe to my channel, to this channel, whatever platform you're watching from, all right? Just go to the YouTube channel. I think the link will be somewhere around. Go there, subscribe, click the notification button so that when I get more videos out like this, you can be the first to get them. And if you have any questions or you want me to do a video on any other content, or you have concerns about certain things, you can drop it in the comment section somewhere and I'll take a look at it, and if I'm less confident, I'll answer you for that. I hope this was of value to you. See you in my next video.